Today, we are going to learn about domestic animals. Let's start. This is cow. C-O-W. Cow. This is sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. This is goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. This is horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. This is chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. This is pig. P-I-G. Pig. This is donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. This is duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. This is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. This is dog. D-O-G. Dog. This is cat. C-A-T. Kate. This is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. This is pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. This is fish. F-I-S-H. Fish.